In search of a new life, more than a quarter of a century ago, we found a place in the world and a concept of health born in Laujar de Andarax, in the heart of the Sierra Nevada National Park. The Sánchez Vizcaíno family founded Cortijo El Cura in 1998, a winery that presents the first organic wines of Almeria to the world. We know that the scenery around the vineyards and fruit trees influences the aroma and harmony of our wines and products. This, along with our organic farming, generates products carefully and sustainably. Our vineyards are surrounded by the history and nature of the Alpujarra region of Almeria, where we carefully select our own grapes, which give life to the product of which we're most proud, our organic wine. Red, white, and rosé, varieties which are part of the Protected Geographical Indication Vino de la Tierra Laujar-Alpujarra, to which we add our excellent organic extra virgin olive oil to offer a healthy, local, and sustainable alternative. In an environment unrivaled for its vegetation and biodiversity, we will show you our vineyards and fruit orchards, flanked by the majestic peaks of the Sierra Nevada and Sierra de Gador, where you can enjoy, thanks to our guided tours in Spanish or English, a wide variety of experiences and give you a memorable day out in the Alpujarra. You will come to understand what it means to live in a healthy and sustainable way, and what our organic winery is all about. Truly a sensory experience. In our Museum of Agriculture, you will see how our forefathers lived and worked. Agricultural tools, tools used in traditional occupations, and much more. In our cellar, you will see the organic winemaking process, where the wines are stored prior to bottling in order to be discovered, and the place where our most special wines are aged. You will be delighted to taste an organic aperitif with products grown on our plantation, as well as other products manufactured in a traditional way. And, of course, in the tasting room, you will appreciate the sampling of our range of wines: young, sweet, crianza, and reserva, a gastronomic and quality experience that will impress family and friends. Our philosophy of sustainability, together with local and environmental know-how, is the key to the success of our company. With family values, hard work, and perseverance, we love producing high-quality products that are strictly organic, respect the environment, and commit to sustainable development. That is reflected in all the certificates we've been awarded over the years. Cortijo El Cura is a different venue to celebrate events, surrounded by vineyards, olive trees, almond and fruit trees, and the peaks of the Sierra Nevada. An ideal location for special celebrations, weddings, communions and baptisms, and all kinds of business events. Ask us without commitment and enjoy it in our comfortable tasting room, in our lovely porch, on the traditional threshing floor, or on the fabulous esplanade. A variety of venues which make it possible for us to adapt perfectly to the needs of the event and to your number of guests. Not forgetting all the necessary services and elements, from a great restoration to a musical environment for the complete convenience of the organizers. This will be a different experience and one to remember. The effort and love for the roots of our land are placed on your table so that you can enjoy another way of life centered on family, health, and sustainability. Eco Bodega Cortijo El Cura. It's not like any other wine. It's more than just wine.